Struggling to get into ketosis? Not sure if your keto diet is working or confused about why it's taking too long to see results? In this video, we will talk about exactly how long it takes to get into ketosis, the factors influencing it, and how you can speed up the process with proven tips. One of the main goals of the ketogenic diet is to enter into a state of ketosis, which is when your body burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates and releases ketones. When the body is starved of carbs, it utilizes consumed or reserved fats to produce energy. Keeping your body in nutritional ketosis can help eliminate excess fat, resulting in weight loss. Although it is possible to enter into a mild to moderate state of ketosis without a specific protocol, you can achieve a more intense form of ketosis by following a keto regimen comprising carb restriction, intermittent fasting, and exercise. How fast you get into ketosis depends on many factors. It generally takes anywhere from 2 to 4 days to get into ketosis once you begin a ketogenic diet. However, it can greatly vary from person to person. Your diet, activity levels, age, and most importantly, how well your body responds to the keto diet will influence it. You can shorten the time it takes to get into ketosis in several ways. Let's start with the diet. First, increase your fat intake. Second, cut out added sugars and processed snacks. Third, eat moderate amounts of protein. Fourth, consume an abundance of non-starchy vegetables. And fifth, consider adding supplements such as exogenous ketones to accelerate your ketosis journey. Combine your keto diet with intermittent fasting to get into ketosis quickly. A fasting schedule of a few hours followed by a short eating period effectively speeds up ketosis. You can try several fasting regimens such as 16-8 and 24 fasts. A 16-8 fast means you abstain from food for 16 hours and eat in an 8-hour window. Other common fasting regimens include an alternate day fast, a 24-hour fast, and a 36-hour fast. 1 meal a day, or OMAD, is a popular intermittent fasting protocol. When combined with a high-fat keto diet, OMAD protocol can get you in the fat-burning state usually within 24 hours. This technique is also referred to as speed keto. However, remember to keep your body nourished with hydration, electrolytes, and vitamins during the fast. Also, avoid big meals during the non-fasting time to reap maximum benefits. As with any fasting and diet regimen, it's always a good idea to follow guidelines from a nutritionist or a professional dietitian to avoid unanticipated health risks. Also, people with conditions like type 1 diabetes should seek medical advice before making dietary and lifestyle changes. Combine exercise with the keto diet and intermittent fasting to supercharge your ketosis journey. According to a study by Brigham Young University, exercising intensely at the start of a fast accelerates ketone production. The study, published in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise, concluded that participants could get into ketosis 3.5 hours earlier when the fast was started with an exercise. Not only did exercise improve the metabolic outcomes of fasting, but it also did so without any additional subjective feelings of hunger, thirst, discomfort, or low mood, which are all common side effects of a keto diet. So how long does it take to reach ketosis? Ultimately, it depends on your approach and how your body responds to dietary and lifestyle changes. It's essential to monitor your body's ketone levels while on a keto diet. You can check if you're in ketosis with blood, urine, or a breath test. Urine ketone test strips are an excellent non-invasive way to check your body's ketone levels, especially if you're uncomfortable with the painful finger pricks of a blood test. They're also relatively inexpensive than blood and breath tests that require specialized electronic meters. The Diagnox urine ketone test strips are easy to use clinical grade test strips to check urine ketone levels. These at-home strips produce a color that indicates your urine ketone levels, allowing you to keep up with your keto diet while maintaining an optimal nutritional ketosis range. We hope that you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't miss out on the next health update. Subscribe and allow yourself to know. Allow yourself to grow. Diagnox. Care to know to care.